I started my projects by mixing 1/2 of each pearl acrylic paint that I purchased from Walmart and beige acrylic paint that I purchased from the Dollar General. I mixed them together thoroughly. Since I was satisfied with the color, I set my paint aside and I got my ribbon. I cut my feathers out as close as I could without cutting the feathers. Next, I applied Elmer's glue to the back of my plate. I placed my feathers face down onto the Elmer's glue and I smoothed them out. I repeated the same step anywhere that I wanted to add more feathers. Next, I painted a tall vase with the paint that I had previously mixed. I applied 3 coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before I added the next coat. While I waited for my vase to dry, I went ahead and I started to paint my plate. And I'm going to apply 2 to 3 coats to my plate as well, allowing each coat to dry before adding the next. Once my vase dried, I used Elmer's glue to apply feathers. my pieces, I use a thin coat of Mod Podge over my painted surfaces. For my bonus project, I attached a small mirror to a canvas using E6000 and Gorilla Hot Glue. I used Elmer's glue to attach my feathers to my canvas. And these are my final pieces. I'm gonna probably add something later around my mirror, but for now, I think it looks just fine. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.